Hello, behind me is our assembly line of red light therapy product factory. You've probably seen this red light mask all over social media, right? The promise to eliminate wrinkles, breakouts, and give you glowing skin. But the big question is it really work or it's just another expensive gimmick? Today we will take less 4 minutes to dive in. Join us to find out. Okay, so what exactly red therapy? Simply put, these masks use specific wavelengths of LED light, usually red light around 630 to 660 nanometers, sometimes coupled with near-infrared around 850 nanometers, and even blue, cyan, yellow, violet, and white light. The styles goes like this. This light supposedly penetrates your skin and stimulates your mitochondria, which are the energy factory of your cells, to produce more APT, which is like the energy currency of your cells. So what are its benefits? We are talking about reducing wrinkles and fine lines by boosting collagen production, fighting acne and inflammation, improving skin tone and texture, even speeding up wound healing. Sounds great, right? But wait, it's not magic. Persistence is the key. The results can vary greatly from person to person. If you are thinking about getting one, look for FDA approval and correct wavelengths. Also, check out the user reviews, tons of them. This will help you choose a product that's better for you. And even though we are a factory with red light physical therapy products being made on the assembly line in the back, we still recommend going for the best fit for you. The method is usually simple. Clean your face and don't wear makeup. Wear it for about 10 to 20 minutes, depending on the device, a couple times a week. Always follow the instructions for your particular device. So, my opinion, the really very promising research behind red light therapy is valuable on its own right, especially when it comes to collagen and inflammation. But it is an investment, not a quick fix. For me, real personal experience, it makes my skin better. Well, that's all for today. What do you guys think? Have you ever used a red light mask? Are you convinced or still skeptical? Leave your thoughts in the comment section below. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching. Hit a subscribe if you are interested. Good luck with glowing skin and we will see you in the next video. Bye!